guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a little minute, but I'm back. I don't think I uploaded a video since last weekend. I'm not sure, I can't remember. But anyway, nonetheless, we are here. In today's video, we're going to, you see, I have like, you can't see, obviously. I had on a sports bra. I decided just to put a shirt on, and I got my little sweatband on because I am going to work out after I do this video. So I said I never made a video of what kind of makeup I would wear to the gym. I don't go to the gym. I have a treadmill and weights in my garage, and then I also do like some Pilates on a yoga mat. So I don't go to the gym, but if I were in the gym, which I still have my LA Fitness account that's just still charging my card for no apparent reason. But anyway, if I did go to the gym, let's do makeup for a gym day, you know? Like, girls go to the gym with makeup on all the time because nobody wants to look tired and like blah at the gym. So yeah, so that was a run-on sentence. And as you guys know, I am still doing 75 hard, and I'm still trying to get this water down. And like I said, at the very last minute of the night, I finished my water, but I drink a lot of my water during my workout, so I'm pretty okay with the water intake. Like, it's not horrible. I just don't start as early as what this bottle says, 7 a.m. I don't start my water at 7 a.m. I probably start drinking water by the time, like, what? I have my first cup of water maybe by 9 a.m. but then I don't really start drinking the water until after 12. That's just my body. I don't know why, but that's what happens. So yeah, let's just get to the makeup. So yeah, we're gonna do makeup focused on what kind of makeup you should wear to the gym. First thing I'm going to do is start with my MAC Fix Plus setting spray. This is the rose water one. Just to hydrate my skin again after skincare prep. Then I'm going to moisturize. I'm going to use the MAC Studio Moisture Cream to moisturize my face. Next step is primer. I'm going to use the One Size Secure the Sweat primer because why not? We're trying to secure the sweat. This product was actually made for humid conditions, so definitely want to make sure I add this. For the face, I don't want to go too crazy, but I also don't want to go too light because that's just me. I'm still going to use some concealer, so I'm going to use the Lancome Teint Doll Ultra Wear, and this is the shade 500. So while this concealer sits on my face and gets a little more opaque, I'm going to use my contour, and this is the Rare Beauty Concealer in the shade 520W. I'm just going to also drag this color right inside of my eye crease, just to add a little definition because I'm not going to be using eyeshadow today. Just going to use my beauty blender to blend out the under eye concealer. In between what I'm doing, I'm also going to use my spray. So this is the One Size On Till Dawn. And I'm just going to set each step of what I'm doing just so that I can know that everything will stay in place. Born This Way concealer. I love her so much. I'm gonna use the shade Butterscotch. I just have to be a little extra. Like, I can't. It's just in me. I can't walk around with a flat face. I'm gonna let that sit for a while. While I let this sit for a while, I'm gonna just start my brows. This is a Benefit eyebrow pencil. This is Precisely My Brow, and this is the shade 5. And now I'm gonna blend out my under eye. To set under my eyes, I'm going to use one size, just a little bit of this powder. Not even anything crazy. You just want enough to set your concealer in place. And I'm not doing the double concealer, the double powder technique, because this is not that, you know? You don't want to give too much. You don't want to do too much, because then it'll just look like a cakey mess at the end of the day. For the rest of the face, I am going to use my Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Deepest just to set a little color, because you know I didn't put anything else on the rest of my face. And I just like went over one time on my forehead, because you don't want too much product up on your forehead either. For blush or anything, I just like using bronzer for these types of looks. So I'm gonna use my Glowish bronzer by Huda Beauty, and the shade is 5. Or by Huda Beauty, and the shade is 5. And I just also bring that on the eyelids. And I don't do nose contour either. I just drag whatever is on my brush and bring it down my nose. And now we're basically finished. You can do mascara if you want. Make sure it's waterproof. I'm gonna spray my face again with the MAC Fix Plus. Now that that settles, I'm gonna use my one size on Till Dawn. For lips, I'm gonna just do lip gloss. So I'm like into this lip liner phase where, I mean, it literally does not matter to do your lips at all. But I just love how my lips look lined. This is SKKN Nude 15. I'm just gonna use my Pat McGrath lip gloss, and this is the shade Flesh Fantasy. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Also, don't forget I'm having a giveaway for the SKKN eyeshadow palette, 2 lipsticks, and a lip liner. So be sure to check out my TikTok to see what the rules are. See you in the next one.